Okay, so everyone has told you that black lights are one of the best ways to charge up glow paint, right? You went out and bought them. You set them up. It doesn't do a thing. What's wrong? Hang with me, I'm going to tell you about it in just a second. Alright, so here's the deal. You bought the black lights like you were told, or that was suggested to you, and you set them up. You have a soffit if you have a theater room, or you bought a nice 4-foot light and you stick it on your bed, you know, to charge up your ceiling in your bedroom. Whatever it is, the black light is not working like you were told. When the mural was painted, if it was me, I used a black light, small little black light, to charge it up, and it worked great. Now I've got this powerful light and it doesn't work. What's going on? Well, let me tell you the first thing to check. And I found out this the hard way. I went back on a job. The customer called me and said, hey, this is just not charging up anymore. I don't know what happened. This is about 3 years later. What happened is something happened with her old black light, and so she bought a new one, and she set it out and turned it on, left it on, turned it off, nothing. She tried it again and again, and it just wasn't working. So she's thinking, oh no, the paint's gone bad. And so she called me up, and I said, all right, next time I'm out in Nashville, I'll run by and we'll see. Well, I went out there and I was just about to repaint the ceiling. And I said, let me see that black light. And I figured this out a long time before when I was painting, but I had totally forgotten. There's the black lights, when you get them, they usually have they usually have a clear plastic cover that goes over the tube to protect it. Well, something in that plastic blocks the UV that is needed to charge the paint. So I took the cover off, we set it out for 10 minutes, turned off the lights, and there was her mural again, just like it was the first time I painted it. She was happy, I was happy that I didn't have to repaint it, but that's probably the problem. So if you've had that problem, try taking the cover off if it's on. I'll bet you that's the deal. If you just ordered some lights and they're about to arrive, or they've already arrived and you're going to set them up, take those covers off. And you're probably not going to have any problems, because I haven't heard of any other problems charging paint when it's the cover's off. So I hope that helps. Please visit my website, nightsskymurals.com. There's questions that are answered on there. I'm starting to put these videos on there. So there's going to be a lot of resources to help you with black lights or any other questions you might have. And so I want you to get the best use out of your mural and enjoy it for years. So hope that helped. Thanks.